In today's video, I'll show you how to open a demo trading account with Vantage Markets and configure it so your practice setup closely matches the way you plan to trade with real funds. A demo account is useful for both new and experienced traders. It lets you explore the trading platform, test strategies, and practice in live market conditions using virtual funds instead of risking real money. So let's go through the setup step by step. First, head over to the Vantage Markets website and log into your client portal. And if you don't have a Vantage account yet, you can use the link I've provided in the description below to create one. Once your account is set up, come back to this video and follow along with the next steps. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Account in the top navigation menu and select Open Account. On the Account Setup page, you'll see options for live and demo accounts. Select Demo Account to make sure you're creating a practice account using virtual funds. Next, choose your trading platform. Vantage offers several platform options. For this example, we'll select MetaTrader 5, or MT5, which provides advanced charting tools, a wide range of technical indicators, and support for multiple markets. Now choose your account type. Depending on the options available to you, you may see accounts such as Standard, Raw, or Perpetual. Each has a different pricing and trading structure, so ideally, choose the account type that most closely matches the live account you're considering. This will make your demo trading experience more representative of how you would actually trade. Next, select your base currency, such as USD, Euro, or GBP. Then choose your preferred leverage, for example, 1 to 100 or 1 to 500. Remember, higher leverage can significantly increase both potential profits and potential losses, so choose a level appropriate for the way you intend to trade. Finally, enter your demo account balance. Here's a useful tip. Instead of selecting an unrealistically large virtual balance, consider using roughly the amount of capital you would actually be comfortable depositing into a live account. For example, if you expect to start live trading with $1,000, setting your demo balance to around $1,000 can give you a much more realistic idea of your position sizing, risk management, and overall strategy. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. Your demo account will now be created. You should receive your account details and login credentials from Vantage. You can then use those credentials to log into your selected trading platform and start practicing with virtual funds. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can have a Vantage demo account ready to test strategies, learn the platform, and practice your risk management before deciding whether you're ready to trade with real money. If you found this tutorial useful, let me know in the comments. Which Forex, metal, or crypto are you planning to practice with the demo account? I'll see you in the next one.